In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive cards from your Trello inbox. Trello is a powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, and teams, but as your boards get busier, keeping everything organized can become a challenge. Archiving cards is a simple and effective way to declutter your Trello inbox while still keeping your data accessible if you need it later. Today, I'll guide you through every step of the process so you can stay focused on what matters most. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello's website. That's www.trello.com. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the button that says Log In. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred method for signing in. Trello offers several options, so you can log in using your email and password, or you can use your Google or Microsoft account if that's more convenient for you. Simply select the method that works best for you and follow the prompts. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your Trello account, you'll need to complete that step as well. This could mean entering a verification code sent to your phone or email, so be sure to have that handy. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. This is the central hub where all your boards are displayed. Look through your dashboard and click on the board that you want to work with. This will take you directly into that board. Now, wait for your board to fully load. Once it's ready, locate the section labeled Inbox. This is usually where incoming tasks or cards are stored before being sorted into other parts of your workflow. If you don't immediately see the Inbox section, don't worry. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should find a menu for the inbox there. Click it to open the inbox. With the Inbox section now visible, look through the cards to find the one you'd like to archive. Once you've located the card, you'll notice a three dots icon. This is the menu for more options. Click on that icon to reveal the available actions for the card. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Archive. Once you do this, the card will be removed from the inbox and stored in your board's archive. Don't worry, archived cards aren't permanently deleted. They can still be accessed later if needed. If you have additional cards to archive, simply repeat this process. Locate the card, click on the three dots menu, and select Archive. You can continue this until your inbox is organized the way you want it. And there you have it. Archiving cards in Trello is a simple yet effective way to keep your workspace clean and productive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.